Time expressions and classifiers. In Japanese, numbers rarely occur by themselves, except when doing math or listing numbers in a sequence, in a test or a workbook exercise, for example. Instead, they combine with classifiers that tell what is being counted. The classifier for naming hours on the clock is ji, especially for scheduling. Japan uses a 24-hour clock, so the afternoon hours continue after 12 o'clock. Juniji, with Jusanji, Juyoji, Jugoji, etc., with midnight being 0 o'clock, or Reiji. The question word for what time is Nanji. The numbers that combine with ji are derived from Chinese, with the exception of 4 o'clock and 7 o'clock. The Chinese derived word for 4 is shi, which is homonymous with the word for death and is therefore unlucky, much as the number 13 is avoided in Western cultures. Shi is used only when doing math or listing numbers in a sequence. Instead, with clock time, you hear the Japanese number yoji. Similarly, the word for 7, shichi, is easily confused with shi, so the Japanese number nana often substitutes. Both shichiji and nanaji are acceptable for 7 o'clock. For example, Ima nanji desu ka? What time is it now? Or, yoji ja arimasen ka? Isn't it 4 o'clock? Half hours are indicated by adding han to the hour. Ichiji han, 1:30. Niji han, 2:30, etc. For example, yoji han ja arimasen ka? Isn't it 4:30? Uncertain or approximate time is indicated by adding goro to the time. For example, Jogyo niji han goro desu ne? Class is at about 2:30, isn't it? Japanese people tend to be very particular about time, in a country where trains run consistently on schedule. People arrive promptly for appointments, events start at the scheduled time, and it is considered rude to be late for appointments. At the office, subordinates are expected to arrive early and be ready and waiting when the event starts.